Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today topic is a typical plant cell. As you know that cell is the basic building block of the body or of the body of any organism, of the body of any living thing like plants, animals, insects, birds. It is the building block. So we have to discuss the plant cell here. Now observe some leaf under a microscope. What do you see? We put the leaf under the microscope, and here the result come with the microscope. You can see that there are different tiny structures you can see there. Each box like shape observe under the microscope. Here you can see different box like shape. They are known as leaf cell. Within each cell there are many different parts, each with its own function. So um, so here we have the plant cell. A plant cell is made up of different types of cell, and all plant cells share certain similarities and have some basic parts. Um, so if they have similarities and some basic parts, so we discuss there in the basic parts of the plant cell. Here we have the diagram of the plant cell, in which we see that the outermost part is the cell wall. Here you can see that this one is the cell wall. Then the next part of the cell is cell membrane, and the next you can see that it is the cytoplasm in the cell, which consists of chloroplast, nucleus, and in the center there is a big vacuole. Now we have the different parts of the plant cell. We have to discuss them one by one. Number one is nucleus, number two is cell wall, then cell membrane, cytoplasm, vacuole, and chloroplast. Now cell wall. It is the outermost part of the plant cell. It is strong and stiff structure. It is made up of cellulose, and it supports the plant cell, and it gives the regular shape to the plant cell. Next is cell membrane. Cell membrane is next to the cell wall. It is a thin layer that controls the movement of material into and out of the cell. Just you can say that it allow the different materials to enter or not enter into the cell. uh, Without permission of the cell membrane, nothing can pass through the cell wall and cell membrane and cannot go into the cell. Now the next is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a green pigment, and it is elongated or disc-like shaped organelle containing chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment in the chloroplast, which helps the plant to make its own food by the help of photosynthesis, and plant make its food with the help of the chloroplast. Okay, now we have the nucleus. Nucleus is a spherical body containing many organelles, and it is also known as the brain of the cell, and it controls different function of a cell. Like our brain control the different function of our whole body, same like that nucleus have the DNA in it, chromosomes in it, and it control the function of the whole cell. Next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, here you can see the cytoplasm is here, and it is a jelly-like material outside the cell nucleus, in which the organelles, all the organelles like chloroplast is located. New materials are constantly made here and broken down in chloroplast. like it is a factory that makes the new things and broke the old things. Now we have a big vacuole. A vacuole is very big and mostly it takes all the space of the cell, and it has the large membrane bound space within the plant cell that is filled with liquid or fluid, and most plant have single vacuole. Plants have single vacuole and animals have more than one vacuole. Plants have, just remember that plants have only one vacuole. Mostly plant have only one vacuole in a cell, and the function of vacuole is it maintain the shape of the cell. Hope so you understand all the parts of the cell. We have what different parts of the cell. One is cell wall. We discuss cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuole, and chloroplast.